This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
हर हफ्ते की शुरुआत हम करते हैं with बधाई हो, where I am congratulating all those who have joined MMT recently. First of all, it's a travel company. Second of all, there's a lot you can learn because if you have even moved industries, then I think there's so much to look forward to because we're talking about something that I think invariably everybody loves to do, and that is travel the world. Joining me on the show is about 3 months in the system now is Nikita Shekhawat, is working in the corporate channel department out of Gurgaon. Nikita, it is so nice to have you. Badhai ho.
Thank you so much, Jenny, for the warm welcome. I'm really excited for this.
You already have quite a few years of experience in, the industry per se, or should I say work experience. So what were you doing before this?
So, I worked in the education and staffing industries in both India and the US. Now made switch to a big OTA player like MMT. So this has been a pretty exciting transition.
How has the shift so far been for you?
It's been great. I would say both exciting and enriching. Like I said, in the US, I was working with a staffing firm serving government clients and collaborating closely with the professionals from different sectors. Now at MMT, I'm continuing my work with corporates. My previous experience has given me this unique opportunity to interact with diverse clients, meet new people. So all in all, it's almost the same. So far, it's been very exciting and I'm looking forward to what lies ahead.
Well, I believe you've traveled quite a bit. In fact, also was in the US, living there for about 2 years, traveling quite the length and breadth of America. That sounds like an exciting journey to me. We have to talk more about it. But first, let me play a song right away on our playlist today. This is Go MMT Radio. I'm your host, Annie. And yes, badhai ho to Nikita Shekhawat. Don't go anywhere. This is your favorite radio station. Stay tuned.
This holiday season, unwrap the magic of Christmas with Make My Trip.
Celebrate the spirit of giving and joy with everyone you love and
Make every moment count.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!
to more laughter, love and presents.
Merry Christmas from us to you.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
On बधाई हो टुडे बधाई दे रही हूँ निकिता शेखावत को जिन्हें हुए हैं सिर्फ 3 महीने at MMT based out of Gurgaon and she's in the corporate channel department. So before going back to your stay in the US and where all you went and things like that, I want to ask you here, what is it that you do in the corporate channel department, Nikita?
So as an account manager for MyBiz, I'm managing the corporate accounts, helping them with their travel needs, suggesting them and ensuring that, of course, I'm supporting the company with the growth as well.
That is quite cool. So supporting the company with growth, that is a huge responsibility. Are you excited? There are a lot of talks about travel that happens and of course the technical side of it also. You've got to keep the app going, you've got to keep the website going, you've got to keep marketing going and of course you also have to keep growth going. Is it challenging enough for you, Nikita?
Sometimes yes, and to be honest, as a new joiner, sometimes it's a bit overwhelming. But see, first of all, I think travel is no more a luxury. It has become a necessity, both from business as well as personal travel fronts. And both the travel markets have evolved quite differently. Though business travel has seen a very slow recovery with more emphasis on because people are preferring hybrid work models, virtual meetings. So in that way, the organizations, the trips for those organizations, they're either more intentional or cost conscious. So that makes these two, reasons make a little challenging. But all in all, I think travel is leading the way with a renewed sense of wanderlust, be it for business or personal reasons.
Oh, that's lovely. And she also traveled quite a bit back in America. So where were you based, Nikita? Let me ask you that question again.
Oh, I was based in one of the best states. I was in Florida working in Miami.
Oh my God, look at that. I think Florida's climate is more like a tropical climate, so it's not very cold and it's not very hot.
Yeah, I didn't miss Delhi or Rajasthan. So I'm from Rajasthan. So I didn't miss Rajasthan or Delhi. It's almost like the same.
Oh, and what about the beaches? If you come from Rajasthan, the beaches, the waters must have been like godsend for you.
True that.
Tell me a little about Miami. What is it that stood out for you and those memories that you cherish every time you think of your time back there?
So working as an account manager, mainly primarily working in sales, gave me an opportunity to travel for work. But then, of course, I was able to travel a lot of states, get a good exposure. I would say the working over there in Miami and India, it's like switching from a laid-back beach vibe to a very high energy Bollywood dance vibe. Because in Miami, you'll be making quick decision with, of course, a side of sunshine. While in India, you might take your time building trust and relationships over tea, coffee, right? In the US, it's all about being direct and independent. While over here, it's about hierarchy, team bonding. Both have their charm. Just bring your A game and a sense of humor, I'd say. That's the key that has helped me success so far.
That is sweet. You still haven't told me about the places in terms of, the beaches you visited, the food that you tasted. I'd really love to know all about that from you when we come back on the other side. But quickly right now, a rapid fire round. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Okay, one word answers, huh? What motivates you?
My personal growth, if I see growth happening and good feedback.
Yeah, good. How many languages can you speak?
3. That would be English, Hindi and Marwari.
Good. What kind of hobbies other than writing poems do you have?
I read. I both fiction and non-fiction. I sometimes have started, I picked this habit from the US, playing squash. And I sometimes go for hiking.
Good. Dream destination?
Australia.
Oh my. Childhood hero?
John Abraham.
Oh. What's your ideal superpower?
That would be reading people's mind.
Oh my God, you have it, huh? What is your biggest fear?
Losing my parents.
And what is an achievement that you're absolutely thrilled about that you have achieved in the ones that you have so far in life?
We just discussed about the opportunity that I had in the US, and that is, of course, one of the biggest achievements I've had. Also, within the first year, I was awarded as the Employee of the Year.
Oh my God. And what is your favorite food?
I like salads.
Oh my God. Fitness freak, maybe, are you?
Yeah, trying to be.
Trying to be. Okay. On the show with Nikita Shekhawat, who works in the corporate channel department, and she's based out of Gurgaon. So Nikita, tell me personally, for you, a shift into a travel company has been quite nice because it's a different ball game altogether. Here you are now going after customers. Like you said, it's no longer a luxury. It is sort of a necessity because people need that time off work and people need that time off, even maybe close ones for some time, to be in their own space. And travel gives you that. In the travel time that you had or the time you were away from home, what kind of new learnings did you do in that solo journey of yours?
So more or less, my travel that was there, it was mainly focused on business. So I was able to travel around 5 to 6 different states in this period of 2 years. So the learnings, like I said, there's a huge cultural difference in India versus the US. People, even the students in college, they're more independent. They take their decisions themselves. So that was a little cultural shocker for me. Although I did read about it, but witnessing that
is completely different. Yes.
So for example, if you're in an elevator, people used to greet, and this is very different from here because people are usually silent. They don't even talk. Whereas it was very like, good morning, how are you? How has your day been? Have a good day, stuff like that. So people are very, very friendly. This is something that I did realize after going over there.
And did you try doing that here?
Actually, no, because I know all the customers here. They would have considered me insane for that.
Now, in the cities that you went to or the states that you traveled back in the US, which one was your favorite, apart from Miami, of course?
New York. I was in the New York at a very right time around Christmas and New Year's with a vibe. The craze people have and the way city was lit and everything. It was very new, very refreshing experience, and I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Oh, nice. What are some of the foods you tried there and you really liked?
So, there is one salad chain by the name Chipotle. I still miss that a lot. So, I just loved it over there. So, other than Chipotle, Chick-fil-A, there's another burger chain, Chick-fil-A. So I loved the burgers, the wings over there. Again, miss that a lot because I'm someone who avoids experimenting a lot on food. So I tried either cooking myself or enjoying the things that I have had over here already.
Any other place that stood out for you?
I was in Texas. So again,
Nice.
I like that part. Colorado is again one of the places which one should visit. California again, good beaches, good mountain view, amazing. I just love California. So these are a couple of places that I would suggest people to check if they are in the US.
Are you ready for the last rapid fire round, Nikita?
Not really, but yeah.
What's your favorite color and why does it resonate with you?
Blue. I feel blue and yellow. Yellow, I feel very warm. I feel the warmth whenever I'm wearing, or I just check the color. And blue as well. No reason for that. I just like the color blue.
Nice. So yellow and blue, you're always playing between these two. Your wardrobe also has these two colors the most?
No, it's black though.
But I know what you're saying. It's just the way you perceive a certain color and you want to see it around you. I'm sure you have a lot of things that may be blue and yellow at home, or maybe
Yes,
in
a
office.
lot.
Yeah. What's your all-time favorite TV show and why did you like it so much?
Nowadays I'm watching Young Sheldon and I'm enjoying it.
For all the characters, something that you kind of identify with for various reasons. It's quite nice. Is there
And the thought process Sheldon has, I just love the way he thinks, the way he reacts to situations. So I love watching that.
Yeah, there's so much to learn from him. I mean, he's quite a star. Is there a particular restaurant that you love to go to time and again with your family and you have a favorite dish there or something?
I love Cafe Delhi Heights ka butter chicken.
Ooh.
A lot, yeah.
What's your favorite dessert?
I don't eat sweets a lot, but if I have to choose one, that would be gajar ka halwa made by my mom.
Any specific season of the year that's your absolute favorite?
That would be February because
Why
I've
so?
had some good anniversary of close friends, my parents, birthday of
Nice.
2 or 3 close friends. So I have a lot going on in February.
What kind of music do you like to listen to?
Oh, I'm a big Bollywood fan, so that would be Bollywood all the time.
So then who has been your celebrity crush?
So I'm still stuck with John Abraham since my childhood. Although that's weird, that's what a friend says, but yeah, I like him.
Okay. Any treasured childhood memory that stands out as your favorite and you keep going back to that memory to kind of, make yourself feel good and better?
It's not childhood, but yeah, when my CAT results were announced, I have never seen my mom happier than that. She was all over the place, she was dancing, and that really gives me the motivation to perform even better, to give my best to everything that I'm doing, to see that happiness in her face.
Oh, sweet. Do you have a thought that your parents have kind of taught you and it has stayed with you? It always stays with you whenever you find yourself in a challenging situation?
So one of the things that my mentor at college, he said when I was going through a very difficult personal time, was anything that is not going to affect your life after 5 years from now, do not waste spending more than 5 minutes on it. And that has kind of stuck with me. So whenever I'm having challenges, be it on the personal, on the work front, I do think about it, and that makes my life a little easier.
Does hold true in almost all cases, and that's a good way to actually put it. If something that doesn't bother you 5 years from now or is not going to be in your life, why do you want to waste time around it? So cool. Thank you so much for your time, Nikita. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you so much, Annie. Likewise.
And wishing you all the very best. You're new at this place, but there's so much that you can do. You've come with that kind of energy and with that kind of, perspective. Wishing you all the progress you're looking forward to here at MMT and in life in general. All the best.
Thank you so much, Annie. Means a lot.
Nikita Shekhawat, who's on the show with me today on Badhai Ho. And yeah, it's not very easy to get to a place that drives you. And like she says, self-motivation is something that is key for her in her life. From the corporate channel department based out of Gurgaon, the show has been amazing today. You're listening to Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie, taking a leave, and I'll be seeing you on Wednesday again for the show Jab Tech Hai Jaan. Until we meet again, stay in high spirits.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.